All right, we've made it here. We're in Clarksville for Eagle Days. My friend is actually on the opposite side of town, so I'm walking to meet her now. First on our Clarksville Eagle Days agenda is to go see an eagle show where the Missouri Department of Conservation gives informational talks and brings out some eagles. Then after that, we're going to head down to the Mississippi riverfront to hopefully get some great views of eagles, hanging out, chilling, vibing, fishing over there. So yeah, this should be a really fun adventure of a day. Cue the montage. I am back on the road on the way back home. That was really fun. What a cool day. It was super chill. Like, my friend and I both thought it was gonna be like a big festival, but it was really like unstructured, just kind of do your own thing, which was really nice actually, because it's winter and it's fucking cold and I didn't really want to be around people or go anywhere. I just wanted to see the eagles, man. The birds, not the band. And I got my wish, so I'm leaving very happy. There were like photographers and people with their professional cameras, you know, everywhere, and it was just really cool to like see so many people out there capturing what was a really cool and beautiful moment and beautiful just scene in nature. I mean, that's what I try to do when I record things and when I vlog. I want to capture beautiful moments, and I love capturing the beauty of nature especially. So it was really cool to see so many people out there enjoying the same thing. Here's to the first vlog of 2022. I already can't wait for the next time I get to get out of my house and go have an adventure. But until then, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that good jazz. Don't do it for me, do it for the boards. Listen to birds. And until next time, look, mine, no hands!